Hello everybody, it's the Filament Corner here, corner of filament, corner of fun, and today, well, I've got a box. Now, this box was sent to me, and well, more than likely the title of the video will spoil what's in the box, so I'll go on ahead and let you know. I've been reaching out to a lot of different filament manufacturers, and most of them haven't really replied or anything like that, which makes sense. Why send me filament when you could get somebody bigger and send them filament? However, I did have one reply, and that's what's in this box. They sent me some filament, and of course in return I'm going to review it, so it's kind of like a sponsorship in that regard. No money has traded hands, but filament has. So whenever these videos go out, they will be videos where I haven't paid for the filament. Now, I'm finishing up a review right now on a filament, and then after that I'll be able to get to what's in this box. So with that said, let's open this box, and I got my safety stick, because as we all know, box cutters will kill you. So we're going to safely open this box. And voila! The box is open, safely of course. And look, oh, the best part of the box, air. Valuable stuff right here. We'll set that aside. And we have boxes within boxes. So let me move this over here, and we have a box. Now this isn't what I typically get. Normally I get the gray boxes that just say 3D printing filament on them. Now we got two boxes. And here we go. Got the sheet that says what they are. We have a real white flexible filament, and we've got a real white PLA. So, let's see, who is flexible? This is PLA, and this is flexible. So this will be really interesting, because I just finished up the Filament flexible filament, which I would call a semi-flex. But now I get to find out if this is like that, or if this is the same as all those Ninja Flex pictures of them just squeezing the objects. So that's interesting. And they're both the same color.
Let's see what color of white.
It just says real white.
Does it have an opening in the top that we can see? Will you hold it over this way?
Now, this one says flexible right here. This one does not say flexible. However, both of the boxes on the side say PLA. That's interesting. Maybe that means that you're going to be running this at a PLA-like temperature, similar to how the Filament ran. Now, that looks like flexible to me. Looks like the Filament flexible.
Ooh, that's pretty white too.
Now,
I like that.
as you can see, it's been vacuum formed. That's a standard nowadays. And The label says PLA real white. However, the box says flexible, and it appears to be a flexible from looking at it. Similar to the Excel van. So I'm going to put that back before I get them mixed up. And we will pull out the PLA. Now these are both 1.75. Now this looks like PLA to me. And it seems to flex like PLA.
Well, I love that white.
Now, I've only tested one other white before, and that was the Excel Van white PLA. And I liked the color.
Is that the one you done the skull?
Do what?
Is that the one you done that skull in?
No.
No.
No, the skull was done in crystal. Which I still have some
I bet
black.
that would make a good skull.
Yeah.
Yeah, a real good one.
So this is the PLA. And these are interesting spools.
They look vacuum packed good.
Yeah. They're not resealable, which Maker Geeks just recently started doing that. But at least these are clearly sealed. And more than likely, whenever I open it, I'll hear the air rush in. So that's good. I like their spools because they put their name all over it. It's like they're proud of their filament. MakerBot does it.
I like
Or
it
at least,
better too.
At least on their older spools they did.
When you take a picture of the spool, you'll see it easily.
So, they're supposed to be the same color, which we will see after they print. One's a PLA and one's a flexible, and we'll see how easy they are for me to print with. We'll see what issues I have, what issues I won't have compared to other filaments, and just if they are worth your money. So, with that said, I'd say that this was a successful unboxing, and after I put out the review I'm working on right now, I will begin work on these two filaments.